Thomas and Friends, making tracks to great destinations. The island of Sodor is surrounded by beautiful blue sea. It has fields of green and sandy yellow beaches. There are rivers, streams, and lots of trees where the birds sing. There are windmills and a coal mine, and docks where visitors to the island arrive. The island also has lots and lots of railway lines. Who's that puffing down the track? It's Thomas! Hello, Thomas!
Hello, everybody! Welcome to the island of Sodor!
Too many fire engines. One day, Thomas was taking Sir Topham Hatt and a team of railway inspectors around the island.
Okay.
All in good order. Our next stop will be the Sodor Search and Rescue Center, Thomas.
Yes, sir. We're on our way.
At the Sodor Search and Rescue Center, Belle and Flynn were waiting to be inspected.
See? I can reach that tall tree on the slope.
So, I can reach it too. And the one behind it.
And these are our two fire engines, Belle and Flynn.
Oh, I see.
Belle has had water cannons fitted to her boiler for firefighting, as you have already seen demonstrated, Belle.
Sorry, sir.
Yes.
Very impressive. Flynn, on the other hand, has a special water tank for his hoses and water cannons. He is able to run on both rail and road.
Right. This is how I switch from rail wheels to road wheels.
Well done.
Very useful.
But tell me, Sir Topham Hatt, do you really need two fire engines? Wouldn't one be enough?
One fire engine would do for a very small island. But two fire engines are much safer than one.
I see.
Fair point. Aha! The real thing! The alarm has sounded.
There's a fire in some sheds near Wellsworth. You must go.
Belle set off for Wellsworth at once, racing off along the rails. But it was quicker to get to Wellsworth by road, so Flynn used his road wheels instead.
Fiery Flynn, to the rescue! I'll be there faster than fast!
Flynn could see the smoke from the fire ahead. He was getting near when...
Oh, no! What a time to get a flat tire!
But there was nothing Flynn could do. He had to watch and wait. As Belle arrived at the scene of the fire and put it out all by herself. The railway inspectors were very impressed.
Belle is an excellent fire engine.
Really useful.